Another. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sheridan. Today is September 17th. This is 7th grade science. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's get right to it because we have quite a bit of work to do today. So in your Google Classroom, as always, I'd like you to go in and do your daily attendance and your daily check-in. Let me know how you're doing. I did check those this morning and got back to some folks that said that they were struggling. So I do check those. So please just do those really quick. These two things, grand total, will take you about 30 seconds. Make sure you do those every single day. Yesterday, we did our terrestrial biomes CK12 assignment, which was kind of long. We had 3 videos to watch and a whole bunch of readings. Today, shocking, I know, we are moving to aquatic biomes, since those are the 2 types of biomes that we described earlier. So we've got terrestrial, which are everything on land, everything from the tundra to deserts to high plains and mountains and all that good stuff. Now today, we are moving to aquatic biomes. So we are going to focus today on aquatic biomes and super cool looking fish. So today we're going to do the same thing that we did yesterday, just for aquatic stuff. So you're going to read through this article. You're going to see already that there are a lot of bolded words. There are 10 words that you need to define in your vocabulary sheet, which is a lot. I get that. But by the time this is all done, you're going to have an awesome vocabulary sheet that you're going to be able to use throughout the rest of this unit that we're going to focus on ecosystems. So a couple different sections. We're going to talk about marine biomes, which if you don't know what the word marine means, that means that it's actually in the ocean, and freshwater biomes, which obviously is ponds, rivers, things that are fresh water. So we're going to talk about sunlight and dissolved substances and all kinds of good stuff. We're going to learn a lot about water today. There are 1 and 2 videos for you to watch. So you're going to read through this. While you're doing that, have your vocabulary list open. Mr. Felsing did a great job of showing you how to open up 2 different tabs at the same time on your iPad. So you can actually have those 2 things open at the same time. You can be typing in your Google Doc while you're looking at CK12 so that you can figure out what the definition of that is as you go down. So you're going to add those 10 words to your vocab list while you're reading. Then you're going to watch these 2 videos, and then you're going to do your quiz. Remember, it is so important. Please, 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 if you do not click the Turn It In button in CK12, you cannot turn this in Google Classroom so that I can see it. You have to do it in CK12. If you're struggling with that, if you don't see the bar that shows up at the top that has a big green button that says Turn In, then we need to figure it out. I was just working with a student earlier today that for whatever reason, his thing would not open. It would not click Turn In. What we figured out with his, sometimes if you use a different browser, if you go from Chrome, if you open it in Safari, sometimes that'll work. The other thing that I found is that you have to go back to Google Classroom. Like for instance, if you go from this, you can actually click this arrow here and it'll take you back to the terrestrial biomes. So if you do that, it's not necessarily going to have the bar up there where you can turn in the terrestrial biomes. You have to click on the link from your classroom, and then it should show up at the top of the CK12 thing. But please, please, please know that you have to turn it in CK12. So that's our assignment for today. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and we will see you tomorrow.